fishy fun today. I'm going to do one shout out today, which goes to Lanky Box. And if you don't know who Lanky Box is, they play a lot of Adopt Me. They have Boxy, they have Foxy. And just make sure to check out their channel. And like and subscribe and enjoy the video. So guys, this is gonna take a little bit. So if you just feel like you wanna pause the video and let me do this. Oh, don't pause the video. There's some cardboard right here. It was a very nice day. And then there was a cardboard piece on the ground. And then there was a little small box next to the cardboard. And then now what happened is that, hold on guys, I need to pause the video. And then that little box was really cute. His name was Boxy. And then I picked up the cardboard. And then ate it. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video.